Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to your Tubi account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone, tablet, smart TV, or computer is connected to the internet. Open the Tubi app on your device, or go to tubi.com in a web browser. If you are on a browser, click the Sign In button at the top of the page. If you are in the app, tap the profile or account icon to find the Sign In option. Choose Sign In to open the login screen. Check which login method you used when you created your account. If you created your account with an email, select the email option. Type your email address carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces. Type your password exactly as you set it, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Tap or click Sign In to access your account. If you used Google to sign up, choose Continue with Google. Select the correct Google account from the list, or enter your Google email if asked. Confirm the login permission prompt if it appears. If you used Apple to sign up, choose Continue with Apple. Verify with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if prompted. If you used Facebook to sign up, choose Continue with Facebook. Enter your Facebook login details and approve access if required. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your account email and submit the password reset request. Open your email inbox and find the Tubi password reset message. Click the reset link and create a new strong password you can remember. Return to the Tubi app or website and sign in again with your new password. If you are signing in on a smart TV, select Sign In and choose the code or link option shown on screen. On your phone or computer, open the verification link or web page displayed by the TV. Enter the code shown on your TV exactly, then confirm to link your account. If sign-in fails, double-check your email, password, and internet connection. Update the Tubi app to the latest version, or refresh the browser and try again. If you are still locked out, contact Tubi support through the Help or Support section for account assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.